Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nasreen and today we're going to make a scrumptious fruit salad. This is a really quick recipe where you don't have to do anything but mix a few things together. It's perfect for potlucks, parties, or just anytime you want something delicious when that sweet tooth's talking to you. We're going to mix together fruit cocktail, pineapple chunks, cherry pie filling, sweetened condensed milk, and Cool Whip. We're going to pour out the extra juice. We don't want that in there. It'll make it too soupy. We're gonna also pour out the juice out of the pineapple chunks. This is a wonderful dessert for the summer or spring. And it goes really good with cookouts as a side. Now the cherry pie filling. This is what gives it its pink color. Now the sweet condensed milk. This stuff is so good. Now we're gonna add 8 ounces of Cool Whip. If you want more, you can add more. If you want different ingredients in here, you can add them. If you like different kind of nuts, like walnuts instead of pecans, pecans are my favorite. Now we're gonna add the pecans, the coconut, and the marshmallows. And you can put as much as you want. It's all about what you like. And I love pecans, so you know I put a lot in there. The more, the better. It's making me hungry. Some coconut and marshmallows. And then it's done. That's it. You can start eating it right away. Okay, now we're just gonna mix it. Gotta be careful, it's pretty full. I'm gonna be sharing this at work tomorrow. You see that pretty pink color? You just wanna mix it in till the whole thing is nice and pink. Make sure all that Cool Whip is mixed in good. If you bring this to a cookout, they're gonna love you. They're gonna be like, oh! And that's it. It takes about 5 minutes just to mix it together and you got a delicious dessert. I haven't had this in a while. And I'm starving. You guys should really try this out. It's so good. I'm not kidding. Make sure and subscribe. See you on the next video. Aren't these beautiful? Spring is in the air.